I'm Kurt Sampson, your EV guy here with CAA Atlantic to talk about what's up with EVs. Did you know that driving an electric vehicle can actually save you money? Even when they used to be more expensive up front, which is changing, they often made up for it in operational savings. And having far fewer moving parts, EVs not only last longer, but they have the lowest total cost of maintenance and repair. And if you can fuel at home, then you can save 75 to 90% of your fuel bill. So if you can imagine buying a gas car and it came with free oil and filter changes for life and $1 off every liter of gas, that's like buying an electric vehicle. As the world moves to healthier, sustainable transportation, CAA is here to help you get there. To learn more about what's up with EVs, visit our website.